jointly with the Volleyball Federation of India, online coaches educational program to enhance your knowledge into the volleyball. Already you have seen 4 days, fantastic program you have seen, which was the role of the coach, and then periodization, planning and periodization by Dr. Jangda, and as well as you have seen the test and measurement and evaluation by the Parmesh, Dr. Parmesh, and yesterday you have watched that one of the best class taken by the Daljit Singh by the talent identification. Very, very important talent identification, because all the coaches are there. They want to bring their children into the higher level. That was a very good class, which I have seen. And today I am going to take the world volleyball trends and current problem. This is a general topic, nothing important on technical, tactical, but coaches should know what's going on in the world level. Because world level volleyball is going very, very high. You all know that 221 countries are registered with the volleyball International Volleyball Federation, where we are also one among us. So 221 countries, how many countries are active? Near about 190 countries are active. Because people should know that, the coaches should know, because the coaches know only from India. Many part of the Gulf countries, they are watching this video, as well as all the SAARC countries, they are going through this online program. I should say thanks to our DG, because every day I want to say thanks to my DG and Volleyball Federation of India, because this online course is going around the world now. Everybody wants to listen what is going on in the world. In the world volleyball, it's very, very highly, it's going on very high level. Central aspects are professionalism, because professionalism, everywhere professionalism. I cannot sit alive, I cannot sit without active, I cannot be a coach there. I had to know everything on professionalism. What is professionalism? Everything needed. From the starting on basic of volleyball, I needed everything for development process. For developing my country into the Olympic level, I need many things. People should be professional. People should understand what is professional. What is the professionalism we want? We have to make everything possible, everything needed for the development. The second one, increase of the height. Already you all know that all the teams are now more than 2 meters. Because we were, even Indian team were 197, 198, but still more we had to go. Because we had one Subarao, 211 centimeter, and now we have to search for the young boys, those who are very taller, to bring them into the volleyball, especially for the blockers. Because now the international level, it is going 218, 220. 2 Russians blockers are 220. The increasing height is very much high, because we have to take, these are all new trend is going on. The height trend is going on very much. The people want that, okay, short people cannot play volleyball, short people can play volleyball, but they need an explosive more than 1.15 meter above the sea level. The absolute jump should be 1.15 centimeter. 115 centimeter needed over the sea, then only you can compete with the higher, who are all having more than 2 meter height. The third one, increasing number of competition. In international, many competition now increasing, because FIV has included VNL, Volley National League has been included, and then there is a plenty of Asia. We have to, for the development, we have plenty of things, new things are going on in the new trend, because we have to cope up for that. Back to you, many things I'm going to talk to you, what India can do to develop these things and all. Decreasing budget, everywhere decreasing budget. Wherever you want to go higher level, then immediately say budget. Budget is a problem for us. To see the good sponsors. Now, even FIUB, they say budget, we have decreased, because FIUB wants to make everything with the getting of sponsors. Same thing AVC, same thing Volleyball Federation of India, same thing everywhere, because we needed sponsors. We needed, for budget, minimum things we needed sponsors and getting budget. If we decrease the budget, then automatically we had to go through many things in that. Then information technology development, the high technology is developing, because everywhere you can see the IT is improving. Even in volleyball, many things are now changed. Because why I'm telling this, even now score sheet, it is the e-scoring, no paperwork. No paperwork anywhere. Even coaches want to take timeout, it is on the tab. You have to make on the tab timeout. You have to make substitution on the tab. Because everything new, everything information technology, everything new, everything you have to learn. Then only you can compete with the international level. For that only I'm telling the professionalism. Professionalism means we should understand what is going in the newly volleyball, new trend on volleyball. Then sponsors and media. That's what I was telling. Sponsors is very important now. Without sponsors, it's difficult to conduct any kind of sport. Even a district level, even a state level, even we want to conduct a national, we needed a sponsor. And then the media support always needed. Why I am telling the media support? Everywhere, if you want to develop your sports or you want to develop anything, you needed media, because every often the media should cover your things. You know that cricket has gone very high in India now. Only media. Like that volleyball, last year I conducted IVL. One of the best is the Volleyball Federation of India is going to conduct this year also, so that you can see that this media us, and then we have to speak with them. We have to tell them these are all things we want to go. And the National Training Center and Club Training Center, this is improving many things. National training centers like Sports Authority of India, many centers now they are opening, newly opening many centers for developing of volleyball clubs, like departmental. Even clubs are conducting a training in Kolkata. If you see the Kolkata, they have a very good club culture. So club culture, if you have, you will have a very good development. Every club having the age group level teams. So they have training. They have club training there. So that we can make it that club training and come into the national training center are very good. Like if you see the Patiala or Bangalore, or you see all the equipment you get for conducting things like this. National training centers are coming very good in the newly trends. In the world trends in the technical aspect, now I was talking about the general aspect. Now technical aspect, what are all improving there, especially on jump and service. Very powerful, very much speed on jump and service. Nobody can imagine how speed the jump and service will come now. What kind of reception I can make? Whether I can make reception or I can play defense. Because the player who is jumping from service line is landing more than 3 meter inside. So how much is covering? 3 meter, 5.5. So how these are all new trends are going on. So that we have to prepare for competition. You can see only two type of service. One, a jump and spike service, and second one is jump and floater. These two things we have to take care on that. What kind of things we have to go for? How we can go reception? We have to make a training on that. Then the offense comes, simple offense, very simple offense, but most powerful. It is not more tactics and all nowadays. The tactics is less, but very powerful on attack. Very jumping abilities are very high. A player is jumping 370 centimeters, more than 1.15, 115 centimeter over the sea level. The absolute jump is very high. Very powerful attack, but simple offense, but very powerful, getting a point. Speedy backcourt attack. Now, very, very good on the backline attack. Everybody can see the modern volleyball. It is mainly on zone 4 and backline attack. Very less on quick attack, because quick attack, the reception is very difficult because of the jump and serve is very powerful, so that you have to play either in zone 4 or in zone 1 and zone 6, so that you have to develop the backline attack. That's what the new trend is going on. Everywhere playing the backline attack, including girls. Including girls are very powerful on jump and service, like Brazilian team, like American team, if you see, very powerful on jump and service, and they are doing very, very accurately the zone which they want. So when you went for that, when you go for the reception, automatically the reception cannot go on the perfect place. So आप क्या करेगा? Only zone 4 or zone 2 not possible. उसलिए क्या करना है? Even some places, some teams are there, they play backline attack from zone 5 also. So these are all new trends is going on. The libero role. Always we say libero is a very good defender. He can be libero. No. The libero should be a first one. Libero is a reception oriented libero, because we needed that he should give more and more and more in reception. Then he had to play defense also. The role is very much bigger now. His role is very much going bigger in the international level. He is a motivator. He is making all the things. He makes entire things. He plays defense. He plays reception, and he is telling everything. And he is a second coach of the team inside. We used to say the setter is a second coach. Now libero becomes second coach, because every often he goes inside and makes many things. That role also very big role played by the liberos. The third one, men and women, it's equal now. The men and women both are equal, because previously we say that men is very good, very highly they are playing everything. All the tactics played by men, all the high level volleyball played by men. No. Now women also same thing. Equally they are playing, men and women equally playing, and increase the rally, because I have very tall guys, I have very good powerful service, I have very good block, then I have very good defense. The rallies keep on going, increasing many rallies in the world. Previously only 1.5 seconds, from there to 3 seconds or 4 seconds were there in rally. Now it prolonged to 10 to 12 seconds, even 15 seconds, sometime it goes on. Because in women, the rallies are more. It may go 20 seconds also, because women rallies are more. Men rallies, less, but still now rallies increased very much. The modern trend, mainly thing, power and height. The service is the power, the block we need at height. Because only 3 positions we are going to get points. Which are all positions? One is service, second one is attack, third one is block. With 3 only we are scoring points. So when we are scoring point, these 3 elements, so we have to strengthen these 3 elements. How we can strengthen? We have to make power on service, on attack, on explosive power for jump, everything. Block, you have to stop the powerful attacker from other side. You have to stop the quick attacker from other side. You have to stop the backline attackers from other side. Then what happens? You will come to know that height advantage, what you have height. System and tactics is going on very high. And then you can see that speed and velocity, very much speed now. New trends is very much speed volleyball. It is not like previous. Now speed needed, movement, ball and situation. Because movement, your body movement along with the ball. Then situation, according to situation, you have to make a speed and velocity. Then what happens when I am a speed, I am having more velocity, then I will commit many errors. So that what happened, you have to make less error, you have to make speed, you have to be very thing, then you needed more training on skill perfection. on your physical. You have to make yourself very good, fit enough to be there, to make move, to with the ball, and then make situation changes. I had to change for making 1 point. All the 6 players, 7 players are playing, 6 players are playing inside. All are moving, very fast, all are jumping explosive, all are doing everything on the situation. They make right, they get a point. Ball control is very much needed, because technique under, because previously there was no time in volleyball game. There was a playing, okay, you can play even 1 set, 1 hour. I have seen in Spain, 1 match was going on, 1 set was near about 45 minutes. But now, within 90 minutes, we had to make 5 sets. So what happened? The time, under time pressure, you had to be very much speed. You had to be very much faster under the ball, and then playing that with the situation. And then you need a very, very, very good ball control. When you have a ball, ball control will come? How it will come? Kaisa control? You have to make a training. You have to make a training, like Daljit Singh was saying, the talent identification. After talent identification, you have to give a training to the children, make them into the higher level, bring them. First thing is physical fitness, physical abilities. Second thing is skill development. In that skill development, ball control, then body height, tall player, flight time, radius of action, the action, how fast you are making. You can make the dominance of the side out, because players' abilities, now players' abilities are going very in the world, very high. Individual capacity, reception quality, or attack efficiency. Because if I am having very good reception, I will have very good attack. Efficiency will be there. Attack efficiency, player individual abilities are there. Because previously no problem, individual is there, but now individual, then it comes to the, I am individual powerful, then I have to be combined with my teamwork, giving reception and going for attack, making powerful attack, efficiency, getting a point. Every coach want to win the match, win the point, win the match. Every player want to show that good performance. It happens good only because when you are in the modern volleyball, you are attached with that. You know that what is going on in opponent, what is going on in our team. How can we train? How can we bring them into the higher level? The jump and service, individual, precondition and methodical aspect. It is individual, purely individual, but preconditions. We have to say that, okay, these are all things I want to make it. I want to go like this. Methodical aspect, yes, you have to make it that aspect in methodical. Specialization, universal versus specialization. Always universal, because to make that many players universal player. Now, after making, because why I am telling, don't make them now itself in the young side. The young में है, जभी मत बनाओ, ये attacker है, ये blocker है, no. Make them universal. Then afterward make them specialization. Then come universalism and specialization versus universal. Then it comes to the very good development. That's what's going on in the international level. World volleyball is very much interested on universal players, because all the player has to play everything. Then they fight with the specialization. The libero is the 7th player, high specialized, because every time when I am taking the Indian team or anybody takes the Indian team, their first preference is only 2 things. One is setter, second one libero. 2 things in India we have very, very less. We needed a setter, we needed a libero, because we had to prepare these 2 to get more and more efficiency on volleyball. Good in volleyball. If you want to do a good match, or you want to play good tournament, or you want to win the tournament, you need a, already we are having, in India we are having, sorry to say, we are having very good attackers, powerful attacker, not now, from 1950 onwards. If you see, happen to see that very powerful attackers we have in India, and we have now very good blockers also we have. We needed more setters. we needed a best libero. When we have best libero and setter, automatically the attackers are never failure attackers. They all go that they will be very good. We can make it. If you have a good team, same thing happening in the world. Everybody wants all the new trends. They want the good libero and good setter because they can do something better. Overloading of information by speed, complexity, or physical load. How to master? How to when you are making a overload information, you have to make that how you will master. All the things were general aspect of the world volleyball, technical aspects and all. Now future, how it will go in volleyball. Future, many things they are going to change now. Tactics of height and power. Even tactics will be made height and power. Very high, reaching ball very high with the power. Height of the jump, meeting the ball very high. They go to kill the ball. How you are going to stop? Strength and enlargement. Physical strength now itself going very high, powerful physical condition, 2 meter with the very like a giant volleyball player standing on the volleyball, and then very good fast movement, speed movement, and very good strength and enlargement of the body. Because if you see the international players, even in the World Championship or Olympic, all the physique, they are fit enough because they are developing. They are making themselves into the powerful physical efficiency. And then some of the players, if you see in Japan, you can say that, oh, he is a volleyball player or weightlifter. Like this body enlargement, like this powerful body, and then with the flexibility they play. Technical improvement, service and block, it may increase some more. Some more technical improvement will be there in future volleyball in men. Maybe some more power may be there, or some more floater service may be very fast and it will come. The block, because of the height advantage, because of the 220 centimeter now in the Russian player, it may be very good. It may be going good for blocking. Future, it may go still more. Maybe the rules and regulation rules may be changed. Internationally, they are watching now. Very powerful attack is going on. The rules may change after the Olympic. They may bring back bring little more height of the net, or they may bring back the attack line into a little back attack line, or they may do something to stop this power, because so much of power is going, so much of power and service, so much of blocking is going on, so that the International Federation may take some action to reduce this power as well as the speed of the ball and then blocking also. The role of libero, already I told many times, I told load of the libero, and data and practical use. Data is always necessary, because yesterday Daljeet Singh was data. We have to prepare a data. A player is joining with you in Khelo India now. He is the age of 14 years or 15 years. From there, we should make a data on completely how they are making in the international level. They know that data and practical use data can be used, so that you have to prepare for that data. And Volleyball Federation of India now started preparing data on all the national, those who are participating players and all. It is very essential, needed, because it's not a one man or two man can work. It is an entire teamwork. It is a big people are working back to that player. 6 players are playing, 6 players are substitution, and 4 coaches maybe. But backside, many players are, many people are working for the development of volleyball. Even in India, Sports Authority of India, the Government of Sports, Ministry of Sports, and then you can see the Volleyball Federation of India. Many people are there. Many international players are there. Many best coaches are there. They are all working back to this development on volleyball. Everybody wants, at least my country should play one time in Olympic. Everybody says that, but many things we need to improve. Many things we have to develop. Many where we have to be professional. Many things we have to say that this we needed, we have to do it. I was talking about the future of volleyball men. The same thing now, future volleyball in women. Same thing, number of rallies can be more, because now it is rally is going on very high. It may be more. Physical strength, same enlargement can be like a man, and technical improvement, same like a man, and importance of the counter attack. Because you can see that many the women team, they have more counter attack on quick attack or slide attack. They may go now future, they may go for backline attack more, they may go for counter attack in zone 4, they may change that things, and same thing like data and practical use. Professionalism in volleyball, organization and structure. All the international countries are making professional volleyball. Especially will be there one, the president, the team manager, and then head coach, and then many people are involving in that, because I cannot write all the things. Many people are involving. Professional, everybody, because I was there in European Confederation headquarters in Luxembourg 2-3 months back. I have seen there, my God, what a professional. They speak only professional. What has to speak, what have to do. I had to do this thing, I had to do it. I am a coach of volleyball. I return and given, okay, I'll get it. And then I had to work myself for development. I had to give a result also. I am in charge for that. So like that, head coach, team manager, preparing everything for team. These are all things professional. So we needed these things should be developed on everywhere in the professionalism, even in the state association, in district association, in Volleyball Federation of India, everywhere. Volleyball Federation of India now doing many things to bring back the professionalism in volleyball. Same thing we have to make it. Every player, he should know that if I am playing volleyball, I'll be in the top. Because why I am telling, 15 years back, I was in Italy. I went to one school. In the school, they called me, they told me, please sir, you can have 1 hour program of volleyball. I said, okay, I will take. What kind of things you will take? Which class I have to take? They said, 5th standard, sir. I said, okay, 5th standard, no problem, I can take. What do you want to take? I said, I am a setter. I will take the training on setter. Please, coaches, note here, 5th standard boys means what? Maybe 12 years, 11 years. They are there. And I went there. The headmaster of the principal of the school has given one chart to me. I said, what is this? He said, sir, you have to take this the same, you can take whatever drills you want. But this is the system what we are following, because the 5th standard player, they say after 6 years, they are my national team players. They are my national team player. Like that, in India also, we have to say all the players, those who are participating in the mini national or sub-junior national, has to say that they are the senior national player after 8 years. That's what the talent identification says. Minimum 8 to 10 years needed. So we have to make them professionalism. We have to bring them into the professional. The player should say, when he is playing in school, he should say that I am a national player. I'm going to be a national player. The coaches should say that all the 12 players which I am making a training on Kelo India, all the 12 players should play for the national team. I'm sorry, because why I am telling, then only the development will come. The professionalism will come. Professional in the club, head coach is there, administration, technical staff, players, medical staff. These are all trends are there in new volleyball. Even technical staff, what are all things needed? Fitness trainers needed. Assistant coaches, best assistant coaches needed, who knows everything and who can give entire thing for you, and he is also very good knowledgeable on volleyball. Scouting video, we needed video. We needed every day we have to scout the children. If you have entire year program, if you have the team entire year with you, you are going to participate so many tournaments. Every day you get the scouting video. आप लोग scouting लेना ही चाहिए. Then only you will come where we stand, where the world volleyball stand. where we stand, how I can develop, how I can bring into the top level. These are all things we needed, because this is only equipment we needed. We needed a scout man with us always. Even a small teams, they should keep one scout man, one physical trainer, and then good assistant coaches. Head coach is a very fantastic head coach. Then medical staff. It is not necessary always with you, but you had to needed that medical staff. Physiotherapist needed. And then medical doctor. Always we needed medical doctor. Same way everywhere in the world. They're all keeping them. And psychologists needed. In the higher level volleyball, we needed psychological motivation, bringing them into the higher level. Because please coaches, please think that making a player, it is only 1 month. Any player, you come to the coaches, they will make you volleyball player within 1 month. To make into the higher level, it takes 4 to 5 years. And you want to take into the national level, it takes near about 8 years. Very, very, very difficult. So that coaches should know everything, what is in the world development, what is the world trend, is where I am standing, how I can develop, how I can bring. It is not possible. You see, nobody will be left out. No player is left out if he is having capacity playing good volleyball. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई प्लेयर को बोलते बन सकता, ऐसा कोई नहीं है. दुनिया में सब जगह में यही ट्रेंड है. All the players can be given a chance. Every player will get a chance in some time, somewhere. He may be a good international, he may be developing in the state level, and he is coming into the Indian level, and he is performing in the Indian level, then he is maintaining in the Indian level and becoming a very good player of Indian level. Many our senior players I have seen, they are all come from the junior, sub-junior, youth team, and then playing for their state, and then making them, selecting the players by the coaches, giving them the good training and making them into the higher level. Same thing in the new trend is going on in the world. The coach plays in the team management. Team management, I'm going to talk after 5 days, team management. Before that, I want to tell you, the coach plays in the team management is, coach is a main man. The head coach is the main man. You have to cope up with all the people, like National Federation, Ministry, Teaching, Team, Social, National Olympic Committee, everywhere the coach is seeing now in the international level. Because international head coach means, in the new trend, you should know everything. He should know everything, and he should cope up with everything, and he should have very good knowledge. Not only I am very good in coaching and training, I don't know anything. No. I should know everything. Because as a coach, you people should know that, how that you are going to make a team, how that they are behaving in the social, how that you are teaching the players for discipline, how you are teaching on the players on timing, how that the players will come. When you are going to the ministry, you are going to speak about your team or your country, and you are going to the National Federation with the secretary, with the president, how you are going to explain what do you want. So everything you need, सब कुछ चाहिए. It may be English, or it may be Hindi, or even own language, but you should understand that. आप लोगों को समझ में आना चाहिए. मैं चीफ कोच हूँ, मैं कोच हूँ एक टीम का. मैं how I can make it. This is what internationally new trend is going on. Because if anything happen, the people cannot ask anybody. They have to ask only the coaches. What happened? Why it is like that? Why it is not developing? Why players are not developing? Why players are not disciplined? Because the players, we cannot blame the players. We have to take responsibility. I should know as a coach how I can maintain, how I can bring them, so that automatically this diagram, you come to know that you will be on center path, and then you can see all the everywhere you are moving, you are making good reputation with the federation, good reputation with the state association, good reputation with the Olympic committee, even though I don't know anybody Olympic committee. But if the Olympic committee calls me from the Volleyball Federation, I had to go attend. I had to say, yes, sir, the team is like that. We are here, sir. We are here for winning the gold. So like that, we have to prepare. We have come to know that we should know that everything on development and trends of volleyball, increasing number of performance of the top team. Previously, very less teams were playing in the higher level. Now, many teams increasing popularity of elite volleyball. Popularity is going very high. The crash price is very high in the world trend. Much money is pouring on volleyball. Popularity, you know that in London Olympic, or now you take Tokyo Olympic now. It has not conducted, you are not going to be because of Corona, I'm sorry. But already the beach volleyball tickets are sold out. The popularity is so much. Volleyball is number one. I think number two is Japan. Number one is the baseball. So that number two, already tickets are over on Tokyo Olympics. And then creative development of play. We'll see that. Increasing number of performance of the top team. Volleyball as highly competitive sports arrived international scene relatively, if you take the other game, relatively it comes little late. It has come only in 70s, 80s and all, it has come very high level. Today, there are top level teams in the 5 confederation. All the 5 confederation we have at top teams. Africa and Asia are advancing because of the new system, because of the new changes of the rules on volleyball, rally system. Even Asian teams are going nearer to the like Japan, China, Iran, and then Korea and Qatar, India, all are pushing them because we may lose on the 5th set. We may lose on the 4th set. It is depend upon the day's performance. But we are enhancing, we are improving, we are developing, we are taking up into that. Because I was in Asian Championship. I was in the Asian Championship in Iran, along with the Dragan Milovic from Serbia, and we have a very good trainer from Poland, and we have very good scouting man, analyzer from Serbia. We were there. We have seen our team is moving towards playing very good, and we are qualified for the qualification tournament in Olympics. Unfortunately, we lost the matches in the qualification in Olympics. But I hope that we will try our best to make the Indian team into the 2024 Olympics. That was the program for all the coaches, those who are preparing the team. It is not possible only one man or two man. It is all the coaches, those who are listening is online courses. Everybody should take care. Everybody should say, sir, I am having one player. He will be the good for 2024 Olympics. Yes, because we are going to select now the under-19 team. The under 19 team for the Youth Asian Championship, under 18 team for the Youth Women Girls Championship. That player may be trainers will play for the 2024 Olympics. Near about 6 years now. Prepare, you can, because 4 years now, under 19 years. By 23, you can have very good. This is the way that you have to make a new trend. Not possible if you are not thinking today for long future development. You cannot have. I am going to come for long-term program also next. At present, there are at least 20 volleyball national or international standard. If you take out the FIVB ranking, we are now 79th position. We were 27th position. We are not participated some tournament, some years. So that we have now become 130. Now again we have come back to 79. But if you see 1 to 20, 25, all the teams are equal. Every team can win the World Championship and Olympic game. Because the modern rules and regulations, the way of rally point, any team can beat any team. Iran can beat Poland. Australia can beat Brazil. Wow, because of the new trend. Possibilities, developing. If I am planning now, if Sports Authority of India planning now on the Khelo India boys and girls, but not planning. It should be implementation. Implementation. Giving all, sending the young coaches for the coaches in the abroad, making their knowledge into the higher level. Bring them into the coaches, into the players. Players should be given, at least the Khelo India team can participate in the SAARC countries. Go to the Bangladesh and play. Go to the Nepal and play. Go to Sri Lanka and play in this age group, 16-year age group. They should understand that. They should understand that value of the international competition. Why we are lacking now? Why we are? We have everything. We have everything. We have professionalism. We have professional. We have very good players. We have everything. We are lacking on international exposure. Every year we play only 6 to 10 matches, maybe 10 matches. If you happen to play 40 to 50 matches, sure I'm telling that the team will be in the top of the world. One among the top of the world. If you are competing more and more competitions, not only training, not only giving training. This is a new trend. Not possible. More than 30 days training, 21-day training, 30 days training, immediately 10 days participation in the international competition. Anywhere. You can send the junior women team to Thailand. You can send the junior women team to Vietnam. You can send the senior women team to Korea. Or you can send Chinese Taipei. You had to. We needed the planning. We needed this sketch of planning, because not only planning on coaches, you are making planning on training and then only playing, training. No. You needed a training and many competition. That's what international trend on now. Increasing popularity of elite volleyball, because elite volleyball increasing popularity is very high. Many federations have established a long-term volleyball development program. Yes, including India. We are in federation. We have also prepared a long-term development program. We have mini, and then from there selecting sub-juniors. We have sub-junior. We have a plan. We have a long-term, like Sports Authority of India. We have many schemes in Sports Authority of India for long development program. And this program includes professional leadership and management. That's what already I have spoken. Fundraising, sponsors, fundraising needed. Development of children's and youth volleyball, early development of talent. Talking about the talent identification early. Yes, what mean by early? It is not possible 8 to 10 years and all. Our volleyball starts only 12 years. We may start little early, 11 years, because the hands should come little strength for the children to play volleyball. And then bring them into 12 years. By 10 years training, 22 years, it should be in the Olympics. Like that, we have to prepare. The team game, it's very difficult, because individual game, I can prepare. I can tell them, my individual, I can see his capacity and tell that he can be in Olympic. He can do these things and all. But team game, we have to build up all the 12 players into the higher level. Long-term training and competition program. Long-term training and competition program. You make training, send them for competition, come back with analysis, and then check that how is development. Then again training, again competition, again check. This is what happening in the international level. International level, all the world is having like this. Even, okay, we can say Europe, all the countries are nearby. Within 2 hours, you can reach other country. Okay, I agree. But all the teams are participating there. When I was in Luxembourg, I have seen the German under-18 team, women team has come to play in Luxembourg. Luxembourg don't have very good volleyball, but they came to play for international competition, so that we can prepare the age group, age level teams and all. We can send nearby for competition. We needed a competition. Qualification of coaches and officials. Qualification of coaches, okay. There may be NIS, there may be doctors, there may be FIUB level 1, level 2, level 3, but every year the coaches should send abroad. International exposure, international learning, qualification, learning what is the training is goes on in Brazil, what the level of training is going on in Italy, what is the training goes on in Russia, because the coaches should know and get enhancing their knowledge. Okay, this is online knowledge. Okay, very good. But sometimes they have to go and see the team, how they are training. They should stay there at least for 1 week to learn what kind of training the Russians are using, what kind of training the Brazilian coaches are using, how they are dominating volleyball. These are all things. And sophisticated methods and scouting match analysis. That's what I say. Everything we needed for match analyzing. Once you start analyzing, you will come to know when immediately you can switch over into the higher level, or you can make it a little more enhancing his performance. To enhance his performance, we needed 100%, we needed analyzing. Analyzing not only in training, in competition also. Not only in the competition, again into the training also. Everywhere we needed analyzing. I always tell all the young coaches, like I meet many young coaches, they are all interested. Some coaches, they said, sir, I want to be an analyzer. Okay, some coaches are there. Please ask them, if you want to be analyzer, come on, video analyzing, make a video, learn something, bring that, and then tell us what is going on. Why we are losing many balls in reception? Why our service is not going correctly? Why? Where I am lacking? What kind of training I can give? What kind of technical improvement I should do? What is the tactical performance mine? Why I am losing? These are all things needed and analyzing. Medical care and nutrition. This is always taking care by the. Whenever I am in Bangalore NIS, I have seen the very much care has been taken by the regional director to the lower staff. They all very much know the nutrition and as well as medical care. The Sports Authority of India, wherever the national camp is going on, everywhere the nutrition food is there. Then we don't want to say that volleyball always needed nutrition. We are getting it in the international, where before going international, we are getting into the training wherever we are doing it. And then public relation, that's what we say. Public relation is very much needed, because we say the competition we are playing, one training competition, means we needed some public. Because suddenly, when you are going for a higher level competition, you can see the host country having thousands of public sitting there. Before that, you have to play. So that you have to make a public relation. Come and watch the training. Come and watch the match. Come and watch the competition. Many things are there. Then the relation should be more and more elaborating. Because you should know that these things are going in the world. In the skills, in the mastery in the skills, new methods of training and mental preparation. Every time we have to, the coaches should have capacity. How I can make new training, how I can make new things are bringing new methods for developing. Okay, now everywhere Google is there. Everywhere, every coach is giving new things are there. Everywhere you are going to get a drill. Everything you have on your hand. But how to implement, what are all things training, mental preparation, how I can mentally say to my coaches, how my players, how that I can make them into the higher level, bring them into the, showing some videos, bringing them some very good players who have played, bringing them into the training and tell them, this player, senior player, he played like this, he's one mental, this one. The children will learn that. And then international volleyball has been improved by service, reception, set, attack, block, and court defense. Everywhere they are improving. the main elements of modern play. You all know main elements: velocity and variety of play, height of action, high above the net, and perfection of skills. What is velocity and variety of play? This means good prediction and reaction. Velocity, variety of play, because you need prediction, very faster you should predict, and then reaction, immediate reaction to show, because you need very much speed, and then variety of play needed, quick movement and tactical solution, very quick movement, very faster reaction, very quick movement needed in volleyball. Within a second, you may miss. Within a second, 0.1 second, you move one step, you make good defense. Speed of action. All the actions are very much speed. So you have to plan. This is what is going on in international. All actions are speed. No slow actions are there. You cannot keep the ball with you, because this is rebound game. The rebound game. I cannot keep ball with me like I can keep in basketball. I can keep in football. Whatever I want, I can keep. In volleyball, I cannot keep. I had to play. So facility of technique and tactics. You have to prepare the technical and tactics very good. Surprise opponents, because internationally they keep one player, always surprising opponent. If you are happen to see, I'm talking about longer years, I think in 1988 or something, Olympics, in Korea, World Championship, I think, in Korea somewhere. I have seen the USA team keeping one man was only service. Surprising. But he has failed many times. Whenever they substituted, he has failed. But in the final, they substituted, he got the 3 points. And then they won the tournament. USA won the tournament. Why I'm telling, you have to keep some surprise. You can't make, if you want to win, you needed some surprise. Cooperation of dynamic play, the body cooperation, the entire mental cooperation, need of dynamic play. Always dynamic. It cannot be a passive. You have to be very much dynamic. Because from first paper onwards, if you see, velocity, speed, velocity, speed, velocity, speed. And then when the velocity is there, when the speed is there, automatically you are dynamic. You cannot be a passive. You have to be dynamic. Height of action above the net. The height of the action above the net is other decision factor for modern volleyball. Yes, the volleyball plays over the net. So what you have to play? How much height I can meet? How much height? How much I can jump? How much reach I can make? Where I am contacting the ball? In the modern volleyball is main factor, because jumping ability, because of the tall. It calls for the tall player, good agility and perfect skill for spiking, blocking and setting. It are all very much essential in the modern volleyball. If I am preparing the team for the national level, I am preparing the team for my interdepartmental, or if I want to prepare my team for the university or school, I had to be having a good jumping ability, perfect skill and spiking, blocking and setting. I had to make perfect. This is what they taught. They teach that you had to be perfect on your skill. Analysis shows that the winning team was mostly taller than the average height of the first 3 ranking team. If you see the analysis, if you see, take any team in the world, if they are winning, there may be little difference on height of the other 3 teams and all. Perfection of skill, precision and tactical efficiency. Skill perfection is very much important on volleyball, because even though I am having very good physique, even though I am having very good jumping ability, my speed is there, my everything good. If I don't have perfect on skill, I cannot perform very well, because volleyball is very essentially skill perfection, precision and tactical efficiency. I use this after perfecting skill for tactical efficiency. Balance between attack and defense is required in individual and team play. Yes, between attack and defense. I should be a universal. Balance between both, so that I can require individually I should be, and for team play also I have to balance myself from attack to defense. A relation between the perfect place and errors deciding factor of perfection. The errors, we should make less errors. When you start making less errors, perfect, when you start perfect play, automatically the error will be very less. Automatically you can win the match. The winning team have things, same thing, more perfect plays, less error than the opponent, automatically they will win. Development of body height. The average body height, the team ranked 1 to 6, 197.5 centimeter without libero. But now it has gone up little more. It was 6 months back, now it has gone up 0.5 centimeter, 199. Middle blockers are 205 to 218 centimeter. 218 centimeter, 205. Even in India, we are having 4 or 5 boys more than 2 meter in middle blocker. Main attacker, receivers, diagonal players, average body height of 195 to 2 meter. Setters between 190 to 198 centimeter. Liberos between 188 to 198 centimeter. Why I am telling the body height is gone up very well. Comparing last 8 years, if you see, happen to see even Indian volleyball growing very high onto the higher level. To number 1 in the world volleyball, you must be a trend setter. What do you mean? What does it mean? To create something new in play and training, you must work hard and to be superior. Something new thing you have to play. When you, as a setter, you have to show something new. Nearly all the champions in the world volleyball showed new innovation and peculiarities, because everywhere those who are winning, Iran won the Asian Championship and Iran won the qualification tournament. You can see something new. In Iran qualification, I have seen in the Olympic qualification, they were playing, the counter-attack is zone 2. The counter-attack, the defended ball playing zone 5. Possibility, something new, innovation. Why they are playing zone 5? Maybe the opponent zone 2 blocker may be less side. Possible. These are all changes are there. These are all creations. Other elements are level of physical preparation. What is the level? How much you can prepare the physical preparation? For that we have a physical trainer. We should have physical trainer. He should say that he is fit enough for playing in the higher level, sir. So that in internationally, they have every team, even a small team, even an age level team, having the physical trainer and scout man, and as well as assistant coaches, best assistant coaches. One assistant coach can be psychological man also. And the mental and social state, motivation, fighting spirit, team chosen. Because this is very essential, motivation, fighting spirit needed. Want to win. Every time we can say that, oh, is it possible that we can win? No, I want to win. A player has to say that I want to win. The coach has to say, I want to win. Yes, I want to win. Losing after the match, that is different. But before that, I should prepare the team that my team should win. My team should perform. My players should come up into the higher level. All the players should play into the national team. I am having age group of 16 years and 18 years. Especially all the young coaches, those who are handling the age group level, they should think and they should have in their mind that their players are going to be a national player. Then only we can have a new trend in volleyball in India. Update of training. Training is most dynamic factor for developing in volleyball. Yes, everybody knows that training. You should update the training. What mean by update? Update mean what new rules? What is that advantage of making my player into the more jumping ability? How I can bring into that? Elite teams need professional leadership and management in training competition. Everywhere, if you have a good team, a man should be there, professionalism. A manager should be there taking care of everything. The head coach is there taking care of management, everything. Training as well as in competition. Players don't have anything. Players only think to play. They want to show their performance. They want to bring the team into the up. They want to keep the national flag high. They want to keep their state, their department, their school, their university flags high, flying high. But all other things taken care by the management, by the head coach, for the manager or somebody. Teamwork is essential. Always teamwork is essential. Not possible one. No individual player can say that I won. No, we won. Always we played, we train, we do things. Just I do it. Not possible. Not possible in volleyball. Only one can do everything. Not possible. Including coaches. Only one. I have done. No. Back to me. Many people are doing. We are combined. We are teamwork. The teamwork is essential. They have entire volleyball federation is teamwork. Together. To development. When we speak about development, all are together. Yes, everybody wants. India is so big. We have 130 crore of population. We have many volleyball players are playing. Bring them into the correct line. Make them into the all department of things. All the things in volleyball. Make them talent identification. Bring them more complex, tactical oriented. Because when I am making training, I cannot make training only for block. If I want to make block, I should go for good service. I should go for very good reception, training on reception. I should go for combination of attack. Then I can go for block. If I am going for block, then I have to go for other side training on defense. So all fine. Everything combined in volleyball. Individual training, okay. Maybe I am giving a setter training, or I am giving only blocker movement training, or I am giving only attackers zonal attack training. Possible, but that it won't help for higher level. It helps for lower level. Higher level, you combine attack with the block and defense, service with the reception, set and attack, everything combined and game-like. Finally, when you are closing that, you should be the game-like training. Competition experience. The number of international matches is important factor for success. This is, I want to tell all the coaches, please remember, every time they're asking, sir, why our team is losing, why our team is not performing. That team will perform when the team plays more and more competition. Only training, that team cannot perform in a higher level. It should be keep in your mind every, including your university team wants to play, or your school team wants to play, or your Khelo India play, or state team wants to play. You have to prepare for some training competition. You lose or win, you have to prepare, analyze, bring them. Top teams play an average of more than 70 international matches in a year, like Brazil, China, Iran, all the top teams, those who are a 20-25 teams, they play minimum of 70 matches. Winning teams, World Championship, Olympic Games, this is the older age group. Future development. The main element, game velocity and variety, height of action, above the net, perfection, still same thing, it goes on for future. Improvement of strategies and tactics in offensive as well as defense, because this is comes to the analyze, to make improvement strategies, how I can be a good and tactics with the opponent team, how they play, what kind of things I have to play, how I can make it, how I can block it, or how I can go for attack, what kind of things I can make it on defense, everything you have to do. Improvement of mental preparation. This is very essential on higher level. I have to prepare mentally, I should be there. I should think that I am a, I can play good match today. My team can play very good. Before that, my mental preparation, psychological people are there to develop the mental preparation, make them heat on your body, bring them, because I have seen some of the great players are there in India. Many top players I have seen. Mentally, they are very powerful, very powerful. I have seen many top players in India, in the abroad, playing in abroad. So many players, they mentally, they prepare. They know that. The same thing we should bring into the younger level also. From the childhood, they should prepare. Even in the age of 16 years, the mental training should be given. They should prepare. They are the best. They can do it. And the problems are very little problems are there, not much problem. The competition calendar, the time recovery, the calendar of competition is very high in international level, because Australia to Brazil, Rio, it takes near about 30 hours of flight, and then their time recovery is very less, and then time for basic preparation, it is not there. They don't have time. Entire year they have to be in the matches, in the competition, in the training, less training, going for competition, playing matches, and then competitions are very heavy. Duties of coaches, I already told, duties of coaches, not only giving and training, they have a many duties. Always 24 hours they have very busy on volleyball. If you want to make a good coach, you have to be active minimum of 18 hours. Because 6 hours you can sleep, minimum 18 hours you have to be. Budget, you have to plan it. You have to plan it for good budget. That's what I was saying. The problem is the best players participating 70 to 80 official matches per year. No enough time for recovery. There is no enough time for recovery. They are much worried about recovery. Some players are telling, Iranian players are telling, they are sleeping on the flight. Next day they are playing match. Again they are coming in VNL. Again coming. Only flight they are sleeping because they don't have recovery. And then no enough time for individual development or team development or giving longer time in international level. If you have a systematic on calendar, you have a very good, that DG was telling that we had to prepare the calendar of all the things calendar. The Volleyball Federation of India already started preparing all the state level calendar, then to the BFI calendar, and to the attaching with the departmental calendar. Everything we should know that when it is going on, when that we can start our program. So India is much developing, coming up very well. And then next one is no time for group and team tactical presenting. I don't have time if the international level competitions are going on. So many competitions are going on. Preparation is going on very heavy. So that what we are doing, many things we have to see. This is what the world development trend is going on. Many problems are there, and we have plenty of problems in India, but still we are managing and we are coming into the higher level. We are building up, we are making the pyramid into the higher level. All the coaches, I thank all the coaches who are making the efficiency training, effective training, and don't think that you want to win only state level tournament or something. You think that your players are international going to be a top level player. They are going to dominate the Indian volleyball, and they are going to make a of Indian flag, national flag, into the Olympic level. That's what my topic. I thank all the coaches who are listening, and now they can join with me if they have any questions on this. Thank you very much. Good day. Ankush?
Yes, sir.
Anything? Any questions?
Yes, sir. It's coming in chat box.
I'm not getting that checkbox.
Sir, if any question will come, should I read then?
Yeah, you read that, then I can tell.
Okay.
You can read some question, and who is asking that question, then I can give reply. No problem.
Sir, one question is there from what age players should start plyometric exercises?
Plyometric exercise, I think then after 18 only. Plyometric exercise after 18. After becoming a very good strength on body, then only you can start. Before that, the external strength itself, we go at more after 18, after 19 only. So that better to start plyometric in 19 years, 18, 19. And please consult with the trainer. He will be giving good explanation for this, because as far as coach I am concerned, I feel that after 18, making them strength, then good strength, then only plyometric. Thank you.
Sir, one another question.
Yeah.
In India, we should focus on which age level, under 14, under 16, 19, for
Which-
competitions that can produce good players for the country.
Which one? Which one? Which one? What is-
The question is, sir, like which age category we should focus more in competition so that we can produce good players for the country?
Yeah. This is this age group. We have to consider all the age group, because from starting of 14, 16, 18, all the age group you have to take care. But the best one is take care of more on 16 years. If you start 16 years, then automatically by 6 years of training, he can be achieving higher. So that 16 years children can be taken, because the 12 and 14 years, it's only catch and throw program. No much volleyball on that. They are play only normal. And then from 16 years, we develop to give that all kind of skill training. So that from 16 years, you can develop and you can send to the competition, and you can see that that players will come up into the higher level. Thank you. Okay, Ankush?
Yes, sir. So far, I could not find any question.
Yeah, because this is general topic, don't have any much.
Sir, some
Okay.
have general questions, so we cannot.
What general question they have?
Like some people are asking height, this, that. So
Height, this, and all.
yeah.
Tell me. Yeah. Coaches, really very happy that all the coaches are listening, because I am getting a phone call from even Qatar also, even some places, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. They are all watching this program. And again and again, I say thanks to our Sports Authority of India and as well as Volleyball Federation of India. It's a great thing what they have done for the coaches. 450 coaches together, they are listening the development. And many very, very big coaches are going to come and give a lecture for you. It will be very good for you people to learn and to keep yourself busy on the day when you are free in your home. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Ankush,
Thank you. Tell me.
please tell to mark their attendance.
Yeah. It's
We'll
good.
send the chat list also.
Right.
Ankush will end.
Okay, let's see 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Rakesh, we can end now. I'm not seeing any message.
Okay.